The new Moscow to St. Petersburg motorway is a commercial project to be implemented as the first large-scale public-to-private partnership project in Russia with large international participation. The new motorway will link the two major Russian cities, Moscow and St. Petersburg. The project has very big environmental and corruption problem. Throughout Moscow, the road goes in a common transport corridor with the existing Oktyabrskaya railroad between Moscow and St. Petersburg. However, when the direction of the planned road changes abruptly, when the road leaves Moscow and enters into Khimki region, the road turns to the north toward Khimki Forest Park and Sheremetyevo Airport. It dissects the forest into two pieces, which is very bad for its ecosystem.
The first problem rises here, in Levoberezhny micro-district.
Now we are in the left part of Khimki. Behind me there is a very big mountain of garbage. This garbage is very dangerous, and only a small strip of the forest protects local citizens from the influence of all this garbage. And here live a lot of people, and millions, thousands of people in these houses. And if the road will come through this place, it will unavoidably destroy the remains of the forest, and it will be very bad for people's health.
This is the Khimki Forest, a specially protected natural area, and Oak Grove is located here.
In this forest there are a lot of trees, a lot of oaks. Currently we are in an oak grove. Unfortunately, all this forest will be cut down in the first years of exploitation of the new road planned by Russian officials. This is not just the opinion of local people. This is an opinion of Greenpeace, WWF, and a lot of other environmental organizations. They are all strongly against that the road will pass through the Khimki forest. They say that it will die.
Another specially protected natural area is here.
Currently we are in a mesotrophic swamp. This swamp is a planned natural reserve. However, the road planned will completely destroy it. Of how the road can go. For example, you can see this, a very simple and obvious variant, that it goes just above the Oktyabrskaya railway road. It can go just above it, and in this case it will not destroy neither the Khimki forest, neither any people, buildings. So this is the best variant for us. The best variant is above this Oktyabrskaya railway road. Since the very beginning, the project of Moscow to St. Petersburg road had very big difficulties with the Russian legislation. Initially, it contradicted to the 86th article of Russian land law. However, we observed that with our protest, the Russian legislation was changed. We had two trials at the higher court, because even now the project contradicts to Russian legislation. Today it is the 172nd article of the federal law, and in the higher court we found no support, and the court only supported the current government of Russia. That's why we can have no hope to defend our rights in Russia. And today we can only seek for defense in the Strasbourg European Court. And we also ask the investors not to invest into this anti-ecological, anti-social, corruption and contradicting to Russian laws project.